Everybody, welcome to Ability Enhancement course Mastering Office. So in this video I'm going to explain about MS PowerPoint tools. See how to create a presentation by using a PowerPoint, how to add background to our presentation, how to make our presentation effective. That we will see in this video. So let us see the question first. Here is the syllabus of Mastering Office. So we are doing MS PowerPoint, that is module 3. Module 3 I have divided into two parts. That means I have framed two questions in this. So in this video we are going to see the first question. In the second video I'll show you the second half of this module. So here are the questions. You can find this question in the description of this video. So this is the first question and this is the second question. In the second question we will see how to add audio, video, transitional effect, animation, everything we will see. Here in the first question, how to create a template, how to create a presentation by using the template, how to insert a new slide, modified text, how to add background, that everything we will see in this question. Now let us begin. Open the PowerPoint. So once you open the PowerPoint, you will get something like this. Here automatically, by default you will get so many designs, and if you don't like any design, if you don't want any design, what you can do is you can always select the blank presentation. Later also you can apply the design. When you select a blank presentation, you will get something like this. So this is for a title. You can resize and place where you want, and you can resize it and you can place it somewhere like this. Okay, so this is how you can open the blank project. If you want to apply the layout for it, what you can do is you can go to design, and here once you click here you can see a lot of designs are there, different designs. Whichever design you want, you can select it. For example, let me select this. Once you select this, now you can type the title here. I'll type Mastering Office. If you want, you can decrease the font. I will select 35. You can change the color also, whichever color you want. So here you can add the text. Let me add some text. So you can add the bullets. So like this you can add the text, and if you want you can change the color. I'll make it white. The new slide, what you can do is you can right click this and you can select the new slide, or what you can do is you can select this slide and you can press the enter key. Once you press enter key, you will get the new slide as well. Okay. Or if you don't like this layout template, always you can change it. You can go to design, whichever you want you can select it, but here the font color you have to change. I'll make it black and I'll left justify. I'll do it. Okay, so here also I'll do the center align. Center align, and you can always change the color. If you want you can change it. This you can take the template, you can change whenever you want. You can add text like this and you can modify the text. Now let us see the next question. So we have seen here how to create a presentation from the template and how to work with slide, inserting a new slide, applying a design to the design template. We have seen how to design the template. And if you want to make the duplicate slide, what you can do is right click and you can select this duplicate slide. And if you want to delete any slide in between, always you can delete that also. So next we will see. Next is changing the slide layout. So here you can change this slide layout also. For example, you can see here template is there, here text area is there, only one box is there. So this area you want to make you want to keep half of the area for the text, half of the area for the picture images. That also you can do it. What you can do is you can right click and you can go to the layout. You can select the layout. In the layout you'll see the different layouts. You can select whichever you want. For example, you want this, you want to create the comparison table, then you can select this. So like this you can select the different layouts. You can see here also in the ribbon, slides ribbon, you can see the different layouts. You can select those layout whichever you want. So next is we will see resizing a text box, modifying the text box properties and deleting a text box. So here if you don't want this text box, what you can do is you can select and delete, and after that if you want you can go to insert and you can take a text box and you can place this text box. Okay, and you can apply the design background for this color. You can add it, double click on this. Once you double click on this, format tab will be open. In the format tab you can see this shape style. So here whichever background you want you can add it, and you can increase its height. If you don't want outline, you can select this. Here you can see the shape outline. If you click on none, outline will be disappear, and if you want to put any other outline you can put it, and you can change its width also, width of the outline, the weight of the outline is something. If you want the thick outline, you can select this. You can always do that. Okay, so this is something. You can add the text box and you can change the background color of it. You have the shapes also. You can add whichever shape you want. Here if you want to create a flow chart, you can select the shapes and you can always add those shapes. Whatever shapes you want, you can you required for your presentation, you can always add, and you can select the individual shapes and you can delete it and you can customize it. That also we can do it in the PowerPoint. Let me take the new slide. If you want the new slide, you can select this and you can click enter wherever you want. If you want a new slide after this, I can select, I'll hit enter, I'll get the new slide. So here if you want to insert an image, you have to go to insert, select the picture. So there browse your picture. So I have taken one picture, and wherever you want I can place it. Okay, if I want somewhere here. Now format tab will be open. You can always give add the design to it. For example, yeah, I'll add this design, I'll resize it, place somewhere here. And if I want text here, then I'll go to insert, I'll take the text box, I'll write here some information. I can write about the picture. Okay, you can modify it and you can change the size with whatever you want. So and write the text. If you want to apply background for this one, what you can do is you can go to insert. In the insert you can select the shape, any shape you select. I'll select the rectangle. I'll select this much where I want the background. So after this I'll remove the outline. I'll say none. Background I'll make it a little lighter, say this background. Yeah, I'll select this. Okay, so I'll right click and I'll click on send it to back. So once you click on send back, so that background will be added at the back side. So this is how you can add the picture and background. Now let us take one more new slide. See, if you want duplicate, I already told you can take, always right click and select this, click on this duplicate. Once you click on duplicate, you will get this, and always you can delete it whatever you don't want in this. So I want background, let it be the background color. So here you can go to smart art. In the smart art you can see a lot of shapes already which is available. So by using this you can prepare effective PPT. You can add a beauty to your presentation. For example, I want something like this. You can always select it, and here in the text you can write. You can click and write the text. For example, say I'll say C. Here I'll write C++. Here I'll write Java. So you can say computer languages. Don't want the background, you can remove it. And you can resize this, you can place it where you want. Okay, like this you can add go to design, go to insert. In the insert smart arts are there. You can select C process, you select so many process diagram you will get. Okay, so pyramid, if you select the pyramid type inbuilt diagram, matrix, many will get. So based on your requirement you can put and you can customize your design. So charts, if you want to add charts, you can click on the chart area. You can select whichever charts you want, whether you want line chart or bar or the column chart or the stock chart, whichever you want you can select it. You can select this. Once you click on OK, Now it will come on our slide. You can place it wherever you want, and you can one best thing here is you can change the values. So you see here, first quarter is you can give the name for it. I will give C for the first quarter. I'll give C++ for second quarter. I'll give Java here. I'll give Python, and I'll change the values also. I'll give 10. I will give 20 for this. I'll give 30 for this. I'll give 5 for it. So you can always change the value, and you can copy that, and see here also you can select whichever design you want with percentage and with values. You can select this. You can always cut it, and you can take new slide, or you can copy to Word as well. So I'll paste it here. So like this you can create the beautiful graphs, and you can change the values also. Okay. So student, I hope you understood this. So I want you people to create something like this. Create 10 slides which include all these features. Thank you.